Welcome everyone, we are here. Tonight we celebrate you, we celebrate the Achieve program, and we celebrate all that we have accomplished together. This is more than just a closing ceremony, it's a testament. It's a testament to hard work, it's a testament to dedication, and it's a testament to the power of believing in yourself. Over the past year we've laughed together, we've learned together, we've grown together, and tonight we celebrate all of that. Remember when we first started? Some were nervous, some were excited, all were ready for a challenge. The Achieve program wasn't always easy, there were obstacles, there were moments of doubt, but through it all you persevered, you embraced the unknown, you supported each other, and you never gave up on yourselves. That's what makes this program so special. Tonight we hear from some of you. Your stories inspire, your journeys motivate, your successes remind us anything is possible.
Achieve gave me the confidence to pursue my dreams. I learned so much about myself and what I'm capable of.
The friendships I made here are invaluable. We supported each other through thick and thin.
These stories, your stories, are the heart of Achieve.
Section 4. The power of we teamwork makes the dream work. The Achieve program is not just about individual growth. It's about teamwork. It's about collaboration. It's about lifting each other up. From group projects to workshops, you learned the power of we. You discovered that together, we can achieve anything. This spirit of collaboration is what will stay with you long after tonight. Remember the lessons. Remember the support. Remember the power of teamwork.
Section 5, Gratitude and Farewell. Until we meet again, as we come to the end of this chapter, our hearts are full of gratitude. Thank you to the dedicated staff, thank you to the inspiring mentors, and thank you, the participants, for making this journey so incredible. This may be a farewell for now, but it's not goodbye. It's a see you later. Carry the spirit of Achieve with you. Continue to learn, continue to grow, and continue to inspire. Section 6. Embrace the future, carry the Achieve spirit forward. As you move forward, embrace the future, embrace new challenges, embrace the unknown. The Achieve program has equipped you with the tools you need to succeed. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and never stop reaching for your full potential. Congratulations to all of you. Go out and make the world a better, brighter place.